Hey. Scott Family 9. Scott Family 9. For wholesome fun and drama, come online. Scott Family 9. Scott Family 9. We in now, we prime, like, share and subscribe. Oh, you mean Scott? The 9 now no attack.
Hey guys,
Welcome back to the Scott Family.
9
Guys, we're there with another banger.
banger, guys.
Alright guys, remember the last spicy video when we do chip challenge? I said I'm not going to do the spicy challenge, guys. But for some reason, we decided that we have to do the 2-time
spicy chicken wings. Okay guys, Daddy Scott did this. You guys could go back and watch it if you choose to. But I didn't get a chance to do it because I was pregnant with Gigi. Now I want to face him off with this challenge, guys.
Yeah guys, so it's a 20 spicy wings challenge, guys. So she's gonna get 10, I'm gonna get 10, and we have to finish it in under 10 minutes. So
we have the timer here. Yeah.
And guys, remember, if you guys new to the channel, make sure you guys go subscribe, share, and comment, guys.
Spam the comment section with Team Mommy Scott, cause you know say he can handle pepper more
Guys,
than
it's all about
me.
the drip, guys. It's all about the drip. Guys, you know me, I gonna beat Mommy Scott on this one. You know me, I say, I make sure win the chip challenge because she's my lady and me have to make sure she win a challenge.
You made me win.
We'll talk about that in the next video.
He didn't make me win, guys. Go back and watch the challenge, guys, and see Mommy Scott beat him, whoop his ass. Yes, guys.
Guys, enough of that, guys.
Guys, let's get into the challenge.
Yeah, guys, let's go. Let's get down the road, guys. So it's 10 chicken wings each under 10 minutes, guys.
You guys can see we have the 2-time spicy. Woo!
She'll drop it to ocean rivers, guys.
You guys have the 2-time spicy sauce here, guys. We have the bowl here. Guys, before we get any further in the video, we're going to give you some time to thumbs this video up. Like the video, guys. Yeah, give them some time?
Guys, and we're almost at 4K, guys. Each person just share it out to one person, guys, and see how fast we reach to 4K, guys. Remember, so we want to get to 5K by the end of this month, but who knows? Let's see what you guys can do first, guys. Let's go.
Alrighty, guys. Guys, I'm giving you some time to like the video while we pour this sauce.
Look at that.
Have you liked the video as yet, guys? Like up the video, guys, because you know this is gonna be a banger, guys.
And guys, remember, if you want your name on the wheel, guys, you gotta comment. We gotta see the comment, guys. All right? We love you guys. Let's get this on the road.
Before we get any further, we want to give a post notification
Shout out.
Today's post notification shout out goes to the Campbell Family Vlogs. Guys, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. All right, let's get into the video.
So Mama Scott, put on your gloves, you know, because you don't know, you know. We allowed for drink or no drinking till we finish the wings? We have to eat them off before we drink?
Huh? No, as long as...
We can drink while we eat it?
I think so.
Okay.
Actually, no.
Eat them off first, then drink?
We're going to eat them off first.
Okay, guys, so we got to count them, guys, because 20
Because
there.
I believe that it's an advantage for him if he gets to drink.
Guys,
you know, woman can't hunger pepper.
You know it's an advantage anyways. You don't know it's a handsome, cute, and only that is Scott, guys.
Watch me putting 2 fingers in one glove.
Guys,
Okay.
don't worry. I'm going to be taking Mama Scott down this time, guys. So all who knows that Daddy Scott to go win, just say it from now. Alright? Just say it from now.
Guys, the sauce is in the bowl. We're going to be dipping each of our wings first.
I'm going to take the flats. She's going to take the jump.
No. We're going to be taking 5 each, right? Oh my god.
Ooh.
This looks...
Put it closer. Guys, just smell like you already.
I already have 2 flats. It's so spicy smelling. Like it smells so... So you know we have to. Marvin, make sure you rub it up good, eh?
Of course.
Okay. Who likes flats more than the jump part? I rather the flats. Sometimes.
Right now, I rather none of it.
Huh?
This ain't that kill me, guys. Guys, I'm thinking the boy gonna chicken out. Chicken like a wing. Chicken like a wing, guys. Chicken like a wings. Holy.
Are you taking flats?
Yeah, but this looks too much.
Huh?
And that's just 6 pieces.
Okay. Oh my goodness. It smells. Does it have any taste? Like
Pepper?
just pepper?
Yes, pepper.
Just pepper.
Pepper in here, babes.
Oh my goodness, guys. How many pieces do I have?
Guys,
2, 3, 4.
we only have 6 and have 3 each. Guys, I'm gonna preview the boy, yeah.
Drain out whatever that's in the bottle, if there's any more.
There's no more in the bottle. I drained it all out.
So 1, 2, 3.
And the next bottle did finish already. Because you don't know your boy eat a lot of pepper. But are 2 times spicy. Oh God.
Oh my goodness, I'm scared.
Should we put 900 on speed dial?
I think we should. I think we should. Oh my goodness.
That's 10 you have?
How much did you have?
You give me an extra. Yeah, this is 10. All of it for me.
Huh?
Yeah, but you take an extra flat. Give me it, okay.
No, I didn't.
This jump should be yours.
No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 flats. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
4 drums.
That's 10. That's 10, 10.
I have 9.
You have 9?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
I gotta get 1 more wings, guys. Oops.
Oh, okay. Okay, guys, we were short 1 wing, and he went and he got it.
Guys, I gotta take off the first gloves, guys.
Okay.
Then I gotta put on the master gloves. You know, I can't wait to see them color gloves as Mama's got coming
I'm
to
gonna
beat
put
her.
this away. We could put this one away as well. The timer is here. So we're gonna set it, or we're just gonna let it clock up.
10 minutes, set it to 10 minutes, I think.
Okay, oh my God. Woo!
We can wait. Alright.
Okay, okie dokie.
No. Guys, 10 minutes on the clock.
Yep.
I hope you guys can see it. Yeah, on this flash you guys see it. So that is gonna press this button right about now.
There's our wings. You want to show them?
They can't see it when it looks good there, guys. Pray for us, or pray for me especially. So
Oh my God.
this should be a banger, guys. And I'm gonna beat Mama Scott as I don't know the cute and
No, you're
handsome.
not. Okay, I think I should put this.
Yeah, put the
this
bones in,
back
man.
for the bones.
She nervous, guys. She nervy. She nervous herself, not us. She nervy her.
Can you guys see the time? Okay, and
You gotta press it.
okay, and it started.
Start, guys. Let's go.
Okay, let's do this, guys.
Yeah, it start, guys. Honey, I shrunk the kids. I like the flats, the bone. And I like my gloves, guys. Too nice. There'll be a water close by. Have anything for the news people in?
I can't. This is so disgusting. I'm gonna throw up.
Me too. Don't say already.
No, seriously. I feel like I'm gonna throw up.
Me too.
Oh?
Guys, you guys, the joke, guys.
Huh? I'm gonna throw up.
You guys are already.
I'm gonna vomit.
You guys are already, guys. I think we should stop.
Huh?
I think we should stop.
Think we should stop.
Wait.
You'll stop if you want to stop.
Gosh.
But who's gonna win?
I will.
Huh?
Gosh. Oh God. Oh, gosh, Wallace.
I can feel a vomit.
I am the vomit. Oh God, the whole of me have vomit, guys. So I wanna throw up. So bad, I wanna get this out of me. My nose is raining. Oh gosh. I don't know if I should just hurry up and eat these off and just. She's beating me by one, guys. I can't.
I'm gonna vomit.
Don't say that. Don't say that.
I want to vomit.
No. I'm gonna do it.
Is that right here?
Don't do it. No. Guys. You know that I was to say that word. That word is negative. No, if you say that, I'm gonna. Don't do that, man.
Oh my God.
By default, I win, guys, because she's doing the thing that if I heard vomit, I'm gonna vomit. If I see vomit, I'm gonna vomit. She's trying to do it before me, so she laugh after me while I'm still eating, guys.
That's not even done.
That's done.
That's not done.
In the book of wings, that's done.
That's not done.
Oh. Oh God.
You feel the vomit? Two guys. Yes, 3.
I have the work.
You want vomit? Huh?
Guys, I'm gonna chew up. I can't.
I'm trying to swallow it, guys, but I can feel the vomit coming out.
I'm chicken like a wing, guys. I'm chicken like a wing. Can't do this, guys. Who? Huh? Stop, I give you the winning. 2 minutes leave. We give up, guys.
If he drinks that, he lose.
Me lose already,
If you
regardless.
drink that, you lose. I want Team Mommy Scott all day, every day. Team Mommy Scott, guys. Team Mommy Scott.
I don't know why I make you force me into doing this again.
Team Mommy Scott.
This is so unfair. I won, guys. I won inside. I believe in myself and I know that I did win. I win with all my heart.
Team Mommy Scott.
This is unfair because I said I wasn't going to do an spicy challenge and she forced me to do it. So it's unfair.
Alrighty, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, share,
Comment.
and subscribe if you have not subscribed as yet.
And make sure everybody know that that is because it's your favorite. Alright, guys.
Team Mommy Scott. Abe. He has 3 wings left.
If you eat these 3 rings,
I have 1.
if you eat these 3 rings, I drink 15 bottles of water.
Guys, I won.
So finish it then.
Pass my water. Pass my water. I
Finish
can't
it
eat
then.
anymore.
Then say you lose then.
I'm gonna lose.
Tie, guys. It's a tie. It doesn't matter the amount of weight they do. If you don't finish the challenge, you lose. Simple as that. My rules.
Anyways, I won.
Guys, this is my last spicy challenge. I'm serious this time.
Guys, remember to put God first.
And you will never be.
Oh, you mean Scott? The 9 I no hotter than coffee in a teapot. Who can get your pics, them a screenshot. Scott family forever. Pray that. Who pray together, stay together. We have to make it through this time of weather. Me no got no beat, me do it a cappella. Like, share and subscribe. Scott family 9.